Fix video stuttering and lagging issues in Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So the reasons for this might be due to outdated graphic drivers, outdated Windows operating system, overheating, or corrupted video files. So what you can do is run Video Playback Troubleshooter. So go to the search bar and then type Troubleshooter and then go ahead and open this. So come down to Video Playback and then click on it and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. So the next thing you can do is update graphics driver. So go to Device Manager. So click on the search bar and type Device Manager and then click on Open. So come to Display Adapters here and then right click on the driver and then click on Update Driver and then select Search Automatically for Drivers and then wait for Windows to download and install it. So the next thing you can do is modify video playback settings. So go over to your settings, so click on Home and then select Apps. So come over to this video playback tab and then make sure this automatically process video to enhance it is disabled and then go ahead and tick on this I prefer to play at a lower resolution. So the next thing you can do is make sure that this says optimize for battery life and then go ahead and tick on this I prefer video to play at a lower resolution when on battery. So this is how to fix video stuttering and lagging issues in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.